Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Red Dead Redemption 2 full screen problem. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, go to background apps. Now just make sure to disable all the background apps that you don't need, or you can just turn off all of them just by turning off the first option. And now after that, go to GeForce Experience. If you can't find it, just download it from your browser. After that, go to drivers, check for updates and make sure to install the last update for your graphics card. Then go to home, and now once you're here, let's take GTA 5 as an example. Now first go to your Red Dead Redemption 2, you will find it here. When you find it, click details and then click this icon here, and then display mode, select full screen or windowed borderless, and then select your screen resolution here, and now just change this one just as you want, and then click apply, and after that click launch. And whenever you want to play it, just go to GeForce Experience and launch it, find it here and then click launch, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.